Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing some summer nails since summer is right around the corner and I just was feeling like, trying out some fun bright colors. So I received a few gel polishes from Born Pretty and I'm going to be taking two of those shades for today's look, but I do want to show you guys the colors that I received. So the first shade that I received is this very pretty soft pink, and it is in the shade Miss You. And then the next color that I received is this bright orange, and as you guys can see, I am wearing it on my nails, and this is in the color Orange Party. The next color that I received is this bright yellow, and this is in the color Summer Sweetheart. And last but not least, I received this nude shade, and this is in the color Good Time. So shout out to Born Pretty for sending me those really pretty colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out by taking my top and base coat from Azure Beauty, and I will have the link to where you guys can purchase this. I got it from Amazon. This top and base coat is so good, and for like $9, like it is definitely a steal. So first things first, I'm going to apply my base coat and then cure in my LED light for 60 seconds. So I decided to go ahead and do my first nail in that Orange Party orange shade. I just wanted to, have one solid color at least before we go ham with the designs. So for my index finger, there has been a new trend that I saw on Instagram, and it's called the vertical ombre. It's basically the traditional ombre but vertically. And so I wanted to give it a try because I'm like, that is so fire, and why not try it? So I'm going to go ahead and take that orange shade and I'm going to apply it to half of the nail, and then I'm going to take my yellow shade and apply it on the other half. Now, I'm sure there's different ways that you can blend out your shades, but for me, I found that the easiest way to do it is to go in with my actual nail brush, the colors that I'm working on. So basically for the yellow, I'm going to begin to blend out my yellow. I'm going to do my coats of my yellow, and then once the product begins to leave my brush, I'm going to go ahead and kind of blend it over the orange, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the orange and kind of overlap it over the yellow, and eventually it'll just begin to blend out. Now you can definitely use like an ombre brush, but I just found that this was easier and there was already product on the brush. And if you're familiar with gel polish, you know that you don't have to work fast when it comes to gel polish because it doesn't dry until you cure it. So that is a benefit for this technique. Then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds once I get the layer that once I get the color payoff that I want. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back in and do two more coats, repeating the same steps. Now I did find that once you cure and do your initial layer, the blending and the ombre kind of situation, it kind of just does it itself. It makes it a lot easier once you get that first initial layer down. So yeah, you're just going to blend it out with the gel polish brush, and it'll just begin to fade. And just pay attention to how, make sure that there's no harsh lines or anything like that. And if there is, just keep blending until you get the blend that you want. So for my next nail, I wanted to do like a colorful marble type of situation. So I went in with my yellow and orange and I just kind of dotted it around the nail. And then I took this turquoise gel polish that I got from Gellen, and this is in the color 076. And I'm just gonna dot that on my nail as well. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my stripping brush, and I'm just gonna begin to kind of drag the colors into one another, but not too much. I'm going between tapping and dragging. If you're familiar with my Sharpie marble technique, and I'll just link it right here, I kind of just is basically the same tapping motion that I used on that video. So I'm just gonna mesh the colors together until I get the intensity that I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds as well. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more of the yellow and the orange, only to get a little bit more pigmentation on the colors, because it needed like one more coat of color. So I'm just going to kind of take the yellow on top of the yellow that I previously put down, and then I'm going to do the same technique and then cure it again. And this is what the ombre nail is looking like after 3 coats. I'm super pleased. Like these colors complement each other so well, and it looks super pretty. And then for my pinky nail, I'm just going to go ahead and paint that yellow and cure that as well. That is it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys are feeling about the vertical ombre. Would you try it? Are you here for it or not? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.